Okay. But I am not having that copy actually. Conclusion of this thing, nationalism in India. What you'll do is you'll leave half of the page for that, or you're going to, as it is, you're going to start this new chapter from a new page, political parties. Is that clear? Conclusion we are going to do on Monday. Okay, I'll remember that. Okay, now write the heading. Chapter 6, political parties. Because just now if I make you all write without the book and the copy, it will be difficult for you all. Write it down. Chapter 6, political parties. Political party is an political party is an important institution. Is an important institution of democratic politics. Please put on a video, all of you, of democratic politics. Put a dash for sharing political power, for sharing political power, and as a negotiator, as a negotiator, negotiator of social divisions, full stop. We begin the lesson by. We begin the lesson by. Put a dash. Next subheading right over there. Why do we need political parties? Why do we need political parties? First point, in our country, in remote areas, Purvi, Afzal Sheikh, Rinjim, please put on a video, children. In our country, in remote areas with less educated citizens, Baudik, are you writing or just seeing somewhere? लिख रहा है या सो रहा है या मेडिटेट कर रहा है?
I'm writing.
In our country, in remote areas with less educated citizens, people may not know. People may not know about the constitution. What happened? Should I repeat it? Yes? Show your thumbs up. Okay. Subheading is, why do we need political parties? Okay. In our country, in remote areas, with less educated citizens, people may not know. about the Constitution. About the Constitution. Who's that making noise? About the Constitution, but they definitely know, but they definitely know something about the political parties, about the political parties, full stop. Thus, political parties, thus, political parties are synonymous, are synonymous, SYNON. Y again, MOUS. Synonymous to democracy. To democracy. Second point of this only. To understand, no, sorry. People may, people may criticize political parties. People may criticize political parties as they create, as they create social and political divisions. Social and political divisions. Next point, to understand. To understand, put a dash. Do we really need political parties? To understand, do we really need political parties? Political parties, comma, it is important to understand, what is a political party. What is a political party? Full stop. Subheading, meaning. Meaning, political, put a dash, political party is a group of people, is a group of people who come together, who come together to to contest elections, and hold power, and hold power in the government, comma, make policies, make policies and promote collective good, oblique welfare, collective good, oblique welfare. Full stop. Same line. Parties may persuade people. Parties may persuade people and make them understand. Make them understand why their policies, must be preferred, must be preferred and thereby gain thereby gain popular support to win elections, thereby gain popular support to win elections. Full stop. Next point of this meaning only. Parties represent a part of the society. Parties represent a part of the society and thus involves I'll talk to you. Okay, and thus involves single quotation marks partisanship. 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 Quotation marks close. A political party, same point, has three components. A political party has three components. Put a dash, A point, leader, B, active members, C, followers. Next point, heading, functions. Functions. Basically, parties occupy no point. Basically, parties occupy political offices. Vedansh, Varun, Anjani, Purvi, in spite of telling you your videos are not on, should I put you in the waiting room, all of you? सत्यम खंडेलवाल, भौमिक जैन, एकाग्र भटनागर, अक्षित बलारिया, मेहुल चौधरी, हर्षी जैन, खुश सूद, मंजोत, देवान शर्मा. Should I put you all in the waiting room? Okay, functions. Basically, parties occupy political offices and exercise political power. Exercise political power by performing the following functions. Performing the following functions. First, parties contest elections. Parties contest elections. Put a dash, underline this. The leader chooses the candidate. Put a dash. The leader chooses the candidate for contesting elections. For contesting elections. Next point. Parties put forward policies and programs. Parties put forward policies and programs. Underline it, put a dash. Suitable for the entire society. Suitable for the entire society. Full stop. This provides a direction. This provides a direction to the government policies. To the government policies, full stop. In fact, party reduces many opinions into few basic ones. Which are implemented by the winning party. Double N. Winning party. Next point. Parties play an important role in law making. Underline the word law making for the country. Law making for the country, comma, after dash, after the laws are debated. After the laws are debated and passed in the legislature. Passed in the legislature. Full stop. Next point. Parties form and run. Underline this word, form and run government. Form and run government. Underline it, put a dash. They recruit leaders. Train them and make them ministers of different department. Full stop. Next point. Parties that lose elections play the important role of opposition. Underline the role of opposition. Put a dash. Criticizing the failures and wrong policies of the ruling government. Next, parties shape public opinion when they highlight underline this, parties shape public opinion when they highlight an issue. Highlight an issue, full stop. They may also launch movement for resolving the problems of the people. For resolving the problems of the people. We are going to stop over here because the next class is going to start. Again, we have got one more period. We are going to continue. Is that clear, children? Stay on.